Induction cooktops now offer a wide range of models, from single burners to multi-zone units with various cooking features. In this video, you'll learn about the best 36-inch induction cooktops for 2024. There's some new technology out this year, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay to the end to see the one cooktop that answers the most commonly asked question about induction products. Will my current pans work on this induction burner? And that's actually not all it can do. Let's get started. Wolf is brand new this year and finally available. They added a touchscreen instead of individual controls. Before you dismiss the screen as overly complicated, it makes the unit simple to use. The touchscreen shows you what burners are on and makes bridging elements simple. The pause feature lets you safely walk away while cooking by simply shutting the burner off at the touch of a button. You can then resume your previous settings by hitting the button again. The cooktop features 5 burners, including 4 8-inch burners and 1 11-inch burner. Each burner can deliver up to 3,700 watts of cooking power on the boost setting. You can buy this cooktop with a full beveled stainless trim to protect the glass surface, or without the trim to sit flush to your countertops. The Wolf cooktop has a full 2-year parts and labor warranty, 3 years with Yale or other qualified installation. Keep in mind that this unit will require a 50-amp electrical connection. Gaggenau is the most advanced induction cooktop because it uses the Freedom sensor technology like that of Thermador, but it has even more functionality. You can place pots and pans anywhere on the Gaggenau induction cooktop. It automatically detects the size and position of your cookware and adjusts the burner zone. You can fit as many as 6 pots and pans to cook simultaneously, as the entire surface is one large cooking zone. If you're using larger cookware, the Gaggenau induction cooktop can reach a maximum output of 5,500 watts. The touchscreen display on this cooktop makes it easy to adjust cooking zones, heat levels, and other settings. Additionally, the booster function helps you quickly boil a pot of water. Furthermore, pan size recognition ensures efficient energy usage by automatically adjusting the zone to match the size of your cookware. You may know Thermador for its Freedom technology, but the less expensive Liberty cooktop is actually more popular. The Liberty doesn't offer the side-to-side controls like the Freedom does, but you can change the temperature up to 3 times automatically on the Liberty by simply sliding the pan. For example, if you want to boil rice, then simmer it, then warm it, you can choose full power, then slide the pan toward the middle for simmer, and then to the back to keep it warm. Like Wolf, you have 2 bridge elements and 1 power element. Based on over 37,000 service calls logged last year by our service team, Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau are 3 of the top 4 most reliable cooktops. In a sea of stainless steel appliances, Paykel stands out with some unique styling. Of course, style is only a matter of opinion. Paykel has 2 of the fastest burners on this list. Along with style, you have 2 powerful 5,500 watt burners on this cooktop when you opt for the boost function. 2 5,500 watt burners allow for running 2 to 3 cooking zones at max power without heat loss from other burners. SKS is the premium division of LG. Like Wolf, SKS has a full touchscreen with controls on the front, and like Wolf, it has a pause and resume function as well. But this cooktop has the most powerful center burner at 7,000 watts. So if you want to boil super fast, this unit will be faster than anything you can buy. Like the others, you have bridge elements on either side. SKS also answers the most popular induction-related question: are my pans induction compatible? Just hit the button on the left side of the cooktop and it'll tell you the percentage of ferrous metal in the pan. The higher percentage of ferrous metal, the more responsive the pans will be to the induction burner. SKS offers a 3-year full warranty. So this unit has the touchscreen, the ability to bridge the burners on either side, the most powerful burner, and the ability to tell whether your pots and pans will work before you start cooking and learn otherwise. So, what do you think? If you want to learn more about the 36-inch induction ranges, click here. And if you want to learn more about the best wall ovens for this year to go with your cooktop, then click here. And thanks for watching.